Hello, I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson of Creative Solace Studios, where art creates a soothing oasis for healing and self-growth. I am an online mixed media art teacher, and I offer a variety of art products, planner products, and guided meditations through my company, Creative Solace Studios. My background is in elementary school teaching. Most of the 20 plus years of that were spent in the elementary art classroom. A special moment for me was when I was the Arizona Elementary Art Educator of the Year in 2010. Before all of that, I was a park ranger in North Dakota, California, and Minnesota. I grew up in the Northwoods of Minnesota. I believe that all of us are unique works of art, and that we express our art selves through just by being us, being who we are, experiencing life, interacting with the world around us, and seeing everything that life has to offer. I wish you the best in your creative, artistic, unique journey.